Hello, I have here Mayet. She's my stylist, and yep, yeah, she is single and willing to mingle. Yes, very serious. She's a hardworking woman. She's living and working here in Dumaguete, but she's from Cebu. She's from Cebu City. She's here to work and live here. She's 38 years old. Got kids, but yet broke up with boyfriend. So now she live her life here in Negros Oriental. How many years man ka nag-work dire? Like mga sa
Salon de Rose?
Yep.
1 year. Pero dugay na ko nag-inani. Okay.
Okay. So she's working overtime, like 1 year here. But she's working more time in another company. So what type of boyfriend do you like?
Wanda ka ng understanding.
Understanding. Handsome.
Caring food.
Caring.
And have a good heart.
Yeah. So are you willing to go to US or Canada if ever?
Okay kayo.
Yes. So she like to work. So she like hardworking, handsome, and kind, have a good heart. Of course, the one who will have to take good care of her and her kids, right? Responsible to accept her. But well, I really like this type of woman who knows how to work hard for a living, or a hard-working woman. So at least she knows how to do massage, facial massage, every massage, there's a lingna massage. Yeah. So I'm just here in Dumaguete just this time. Yeah, just to do some errands and get my nails done, because in my province there is no such like this. So I hope my dear Matet will find a boyfriend soon, and I will post her Facebook or WhatsApp. And what is your ideal guy? Okay ra upuan, like okay ra idaran. Is it okay with you, like older than you?
Oh.
You like older than you? So no age, like no age limit lang. Okay ra. So you do have like, it's okay, like basta kay mature lang. Mature and handsome. Yeah, of course. It's nice to be with physically fit or handsome, right? So you are willing also to meet him with your family if ever you find someone.
Oh. Willing to meet.
Yeah. She's very single, willing to mingle. So yes, this is Mariette. She's 38 years old, and I will have to drop her Facebook and WhatsApp on my comment section or later. Okay, thank you so much and goodbye.